Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I have a thrift store shopping haul that I would love to share with you all. And I've been supposed to gotten this haul out the way ever since December of last year before Christmas. So I'm just now getting to them. So I want to share what I've gotten. So if you want to see what I got to show you all, stay tuned. My first item I am going to share with you all, and I got these on half sale. So I go to thrift store shop. I go thrift store shopping now every month when they have their half sale. So this is a leopard print blouse, and it has many faces of a leopard in this blouse. Look how pretty that is, and look at the colors. Look at that. Very beautiful blouse here. I love it. I had to have it. My next blouse is this black, red, beige color blouse. And let me get closer so I can show you all the print in the blouse. This is what it looks like. Beautiful blouses that I have found. And I'm going to have to speed this up because my iPad won't let me go over 15 minutes in doing a video. It will let me go over, but it won't let me upload to YouTube on my iPad. But I can transfer it over to my computer, but I don't feel like doing it all. So this is a two-piece suit. It's a skirt suit. And I waited so long. Winter is almost over, which it is over, so it's springtime. So this is a skirt. It is black and have lavender, white specks in it. Okay, this is the skirt. Knee length, and it zips up and down from the back. This is a skirt. And this is also the jacket that goes to it. It doesn't have any pockets to it, but it does have some like little fringes here at the end of the neckline. And it does have shoulder pads. And this is the print. Okay. What it's looking like. Now we'll have pictures in between. And my next item is this two-piece pantsuit. This is very beautiful, you all. Very beautiful. Okay, this is the pants. This is the color. What it's looking like. And the blouse. The blouse is very tricky. Okay. Okay. That's what it looks like. It's very long. Goes over the pants. All right. And my next item, this jacket. This jacket was $5 and it was half off, so it's $2.50. This is more of a coral color. Has some studs here. Beaded studs. What it looks like. All right. Has two pockets in the front. All righty. Next item. I found this t-shirt. And it says, I'm too sexy for my hair. That's why it isn't there. Hey, you know, I don't mind cutting my hair. That's my t-shirt. I had to grab it. I remember getting this one from Goodwill. And this t-shirt was like $1 and some change. Okay. My next item here, I have this jacket. And this jacket, it had to be a suit with this, but I only found the jacket. You can pretty much wear this jacket with some black pants. But this is practically new. It is a practically new jacket. And this was the original price, $143. And I forgot how much this jacket was. Okay, it had to be no more than $249. Okay, I'm just guessing. So I didn't pay over $4 for this blouse, this jacket here. And it has some gold, like flowers in it. This jacket is more of a mint green color. Very beautiful. My next item is this yellow more jacket, not a jacket, but a shawl like sweater. And I love the design print in the back. And the tag is Kato by Kato's. My next item is, I'm going to try to speed this up, you guys. This is a camo black sweater with the blouse. Made like, you know, blouse. Make-believe blouse. A sweater over make-believe blouse. And this is a green. Color green. Long sleeve. And the original price for it was $34.99. You know, of course, it's a Steinmark brand. This was the original price, and they marked it down to $25.14. Then they knocked it down to $7.95. Then I found it at a thrift store, which I paid no more than maybe $2.49 for it. Very pretty. And it's just a whole blouse shirt. Make-believe sweater over a blouse. And I'm going to have to wear this pretty soon. My next item is this skirt. Y'all, look at this skirt. Look at this. It has a lining in it, a black lining. With this, I think you can say it's leopard print, but with big print design in it. And I love the color. I love the color. I so love the color. Just look at that. Okay, let's see. Worthington. Yes, a Worthington brand. Okay. My next item is this two-piece suit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to change out these buttons. I'm going to change out the buttons because I don't really like the buttons with this color suit. Seems like it just doesn't go with this suit. So it's a two-piece pantsuit. This is what the pants look like. Okay, this is a Tiana B brand. Zips up in the front. Has elastics on the side. And look how the bottom is made. Look at that. And like I said, I will change out the button. Of course, this one doesn't have a button in the front, but it snaps together. And this is the jacket. Tiana B. I'm gonna be sharp in that one. Then I found this long dress, Ruby Road. Ruby Road. Look at that. Look around the neck. Is the beading black and white and like silvery here, metal here in the front going around the neck. Sleeveless. Look at that, black and white at the bottom on up to red and black. And look at that. Very beautiful. Y'all, I wished I'd hurry up and showed y'all these earlier. But I was just too lazy, just didn't feel like showing, you know, doing a haul. So this is a dress that I found. New, tag still on it. And this is a Mason Jewels dress. And this dress originally was $79. Practically new. And look at this. I love the design in it, y'all. All right, excuse me for not telling y'all the price because, you know, I had these items for a while. My last item is this blouse here. Look, the colors, like a peach, black, a little mint green in it, white, and it is a Chas, New York. Chas, New York. I believe I'm pronouncing it. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not. So this is how it made in front. And the sleeves, you can let the sleeves down or either you can button it up. However you want to wear it. Okay? All right, you guys. I have another haul. It is with some pants. So stay tuned for the next video coming your way. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos, but if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.